Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to follow users on Letterboxd. Alright, so let's begin with the video. I'm right here on my own Letterboxd dashboard. You can follow a user from almost anywhere on the platform, but I'll show you a couple of different methods. First, let's click on Members. This opens up the Members page, where you can see all the people currently using Letterboxd. For the purposes of this video, I'll follow someone from here. Let's pick this person. Jake. All you need to do is click the small plus button next to their name. It turns green once clicked, which means I'm now following Jake. Another way to follow people is through movie reviews. Let's go back to my profile. Say I want to follow someone who also likes Superman, one of my favorite films. I'll open the film page for Superman, scroll down, and look at the reviews. Here's a really popular review by someone by their name, which is pretty impressive. I'll click on person's profile, and from there I can follow him directly. Just click the follow button next to her profile name, and now I'm following this person. And that's it. So that is how you can follow users on Letterboxd. So that's all for this video. Thanks.